Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best pressure washer for house you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and update pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Sunjo Pressure Washer. Power source, electric, pressure, 2030 pounds per square inch, GPM, 1.76, included nozzles, 5. Sunjo SPX 3000 Pressure Washer Review, perfect for small tasks. Electric power washers are easier to maintain, no oil changes necessary, but the downside is you have to be in close proximity to an electrical outlet. One of the most highly rated electric models today is the Sunjo Electric Pressure Washer, which delivers 2030 pounds per square inch at 1.76 GPM. This affordable unit is equipped with dual detergent tanks, and it comes with 5 quick connect spray tips to help you tackle all sorts of cleaning tasks. The Sunjo Pressure Washer features a 20-foot-long, high-pressure hose, a 34-inch extension wand, and a 35-foot power cord, and it even comes with a garden hose adapter. You can store 2 different types of detergent in the dual chambers, switching between them with the selection dial. This versatile power washer can be used for a variety of easy and tough tasks. Our testers have put it to work on siding, decking, cars, and more. Pros: dual detergent tanks, auto shut-off, reasonably quiet. Cons: not high-powered, no storage for hose, short extension wand. Number 2. Simpson Mega Shot. Power source, gas, pressure, 3,200 pounds per square inch, GPM, 2.5, included nozzles, 5. Simpson Mega Shot MSH 3125 Pressure Washer Review. One of the best pressure washers on the market is the Simpson Cleaning Mega Shot Gas Pressure Washer. This powerful machine houses a Honda GC190 engine for reliable power, and it delivers a whopping 3,200 pounds per square inch using 2.5 gallons per minute, GPM, making it ideal for use on your house, driveway, patio furniture, car, painted surfaces, and more. This pressure washer has a heavy-duty welded steel construction frame and 10-inch pneumatic tires for increased stability, and it weighs in at 55 pounds. The Mega Shot is equipped with a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, a reliable OEM axial pump, and an ergonomic spray gun, and it includes 5 stainless steel quick connect nozzles for a variety of applications. This reliable, sturdy, and powerful gas-powered pressure washer is easy to set up and start. Pros: powerful motor, sturdy construction, high pressure capacity. Cons: expensive, some oil leaks, some complaints about pump. Number 3. WPX 2700 Pressure Washer. This is a 2,700 pounds per square inch 2.3 gal per minute gas-powered pressure washer with the muscle to blast away grime from even your toughest cleaning jobs. Built from a powerful 4-cycle OHV Westinghouse engine, it's meant for powerful heavy-duty cleaning. From a range of 4 nozzle tips, you can interchange the heads to suit your specific challenge of the day. Constructed with a handy 1.6 liters soap tank on its side, the WPX 2700 is safe to use on brick, stone, concrete, wood, aluminum, and iron. With a 3 liters fuel capacity and never flat wheels that offer easy roll-away mobility, you can maneuver the strength of this washer to get into hard-to-reach corners and scale across walls. Deep cleaning projects such as decks, sidewalks, siding, fences, railings, garage floors, exterior walls, cars, and patio furniture is easier than ever before. In general, gas-powered pressure washers are far from lightweight and compact, but this unit will appeal to anyone who wants the power of a gas machine. It boasts an impressive 2,700 psi and 2.3 GPM, and covets the portability of an electric machine. Though it does still weigh a whopping 63 pounds, It has a sleeker, more vertical design than other models that make maneuvering and storage a bit easier. Pros: exceptional power, impressive handling for its size. Cons: relatively expensive. On the noisier side. Number 4. K5 Premium Electric Power Washer. Power source: electric, pressure, 2,000 pounds per square inch, GPM, 1. 4. Included nozzles. 2. Want to wash your car without scrubbing it by hand? A pressure washer like the Karcher K5 will get the job done in no time. This electric power washer delivers up to 2,000 pounds per square inch at 1. 4 GPM, and it has an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application. The Karcher K5 has up to 40 times as much pressure as a garden hose, and it includes 2 wands. The Vario for everyday cleaning and the Dirt Blaster for tough jobs. The Karcher K5 has a water-cooled induction motor, a system that can help the motor live 5 times longer, and it comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord. This 32-pound pressure washer is a great choice for washing cars, trucks, and SUVs, but it can also be used on tougher jobs like cleaning driveways. Pros: onboard detergent tank, 2 spray wands, long motor life. Cons: not exceptionally high-powered, some leaks. Number 5. WORX Pressure Washer with Rolling Cart. For the first time, WORX has added electric pressure washers to its outdoor power equipment lineup. The WORX 1,600 pounds per square inch electric pressure washer and 1,500 pounds per square inch electric pressure washer are designed for homeowners, quickly cleaning automobiles, decks, patios, driveways, garage floors, siding, and windows. First up, the 13-amp 1,600 pounds per square inch electric pressure washer features an axial cam pump and universal motor to provide the muscle for cleaning jobs. It has a rated pressure of 1,600 pounds per square inch and a water-saving 1.3 GPM. The WG604 also gives you a 42 ounces soap tank with the cap designed to adjust the flow rate. A cord wrap on the left side of the cart stores the 35-foot water-resistant cord. Meanwhile, a holster on the side of the handle keeps the metal wand secure during both travel and storage. The well-priced WORX electric pressure washer pumps out an impressive 1.93 GPM and a max PSI of 2,240. Those stats are up there with some pricey gas-powered pressure washers. Our testers praised the turbo nozzle for blasting away stuck-on grease and grime. Another nice convenience feature of the 36.3-pound machine is the onboard hose wheel, which makes it easy to manage the 25 feet of hose. Pros: superb power for an electric machine, competitive price. Cons: cleaning area limited to hose length. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for the link to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.